nandito ngayon sa dito tayo ngayon sa Rotary Building. Look at the look at the fish. Atin tayo ng kasal. Ayan. That's so nice, oh. Diba? Oh, take a picture there, oh. Let's go. Then our wall of honor. Yan. Dito tayo ngayon sa Quezon City. Tawagan mo muna. Yeah, look at it. Baka hindi sa kanila to. Baka hindi sa kanila to. Kasi reception hindi naman to follow. That's the lunch of that's the reception. You call that reception. After the wedding. Yeah. Ano? Sabi kasi ng guard. Wala yung pangalan pa nila eh. Kasi alas 4 pa naman. 2 o'clock pa lang. Ha? Hindi kasi nga parang sila lang. Sila susundo. Nauna na kami dito sa reception, hindi pa tapos. Pupunta tayo sa room kung saan yung bride. Nice, no? What?
Because I saw Chip making a bride married her grandma, Chip.
Oh no. You need to eat what the food is there, right? Yeah. Sir Bernadette Herrera. Yan, mga yan? Rotary R1 District 3780. Councilor Governors. Councilor Governors. Yan, mga yan dyan. Ito naman, Council of Governors. Oh, wow. Doon naman is Donor Wall of Honor. Donor Wall of Honor. The elevator donors, the room donors.
Now we started.
Yeah, they're almost coming.
No one is here yet.
Huh?
No one's here yet.
They're coming.
No one is here yet. No.
Yeah, they're coming. The visitors is coming. Yeah.
Stop videoing me. Just take a video of me.
Huh? Okay.
Hey?
Toto's favorite color.
The bow.
Blue. Diba?
Bow.
Blue, yeah.
Like, look.
Kahit saan dyan.
Look like the dog.
Very good. I want you to be animated. Okay? Okay? Earphone is here if you want. What you watch them? Why are you excited? So how to... You're inside the room.